What is going on, guys? Yo, today I got another CGC unboxing, and so I was down here about to start recording the video, and the one and only Harley Quinn came down, and she's like, Dad, can I be in the video? I was like, let's do it. So she's gonna help me out, and she's gonna guess some of the grades as well, so you guys guess along in the chat, and let's see what we got. Again, Mrs. Troll, shout out to Mrs. Troll, putting the things on the cover up, what the grades are, so we have no clue what they are. We got a lot of cool books. The last book, I can't wait to see what it is, because I'm not going to give you any spoilers. All right, are you ready, Harley Quinn?
Yeah.
All right, let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, book number one today is Nightwalker's number one. This is one of our exclusives when I was part of Near Mint All-Stars, so I was super pumped about this book. I actually have one in the PC on the wall. So this one will be for sale. Nightwalker's number one, Final Order Comics Splatter Edition. All right. We're going to check this out. We're going to hope for, again, pretty much everything in here. We're hoping for 9698. All these are pretty much modern books. So, again, looking for that 9698. What do you think, Hard? 96 or 98? 96, she's thinking. Okay, let's see. Let's see. All right, ready? Nine eight, baby. Let's go, guys. This is the blood splatter foil too. So literally, all of that blood you see is like if this was out of the slab, you could touch it and it feels like not wet like blood, but you know, chunky. But guys, let's get into the next one. I'm super happy already. 9.8. Why wait? Get that 9.8, baby. It's going to be for sale on Whatnot or here on YouTube or IG. Just hit me up. Once it's gone, it is gone. Book number two coming up. Book number two. I actually sent a bunch of these in. I love the Disney 100s. I got a couple of them on my wall already, so these guys will be up for sale. The Infinity Gauntlet Disney 100. I love these, man. Look at who's your favorite on there. I think Mickey as Doctor Strange is probably my favorite. But we got two of these back to back. We're hoping for 9.8s on them. Again, these will be for sale. I might even give them away on one of my shows when we drop an exclusive. I don't know. We're going to do something fun with them. But again, we're hoping for the 9.6, 9.8. Let's go. Disney 100, baby. Oh, wait. What do you think it's going to be? What do you think? 9.8? All right, let's go. Oh, yeah, 9.8, baby. 9.8. What if Mickey and friends had to save the universe? All right, guys, we got another one of these coming up for number 3. Here we go. Ah. All right, guys, book number 3. Again, it's another one of these Disney 100s. It's just the Infinity Gauntlet again. It's funny how they did these over the Amazing Spider-Mans. But we're going to check. I'm thinking this one's going to be a 9.6 because I know CGC, and they like to mess with me. They'll give me one a 9.8 and the other one a 9.6. What do you think, 9.8 or 9.6? She's thinking 9.8. I'm hoping you're right. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. All right, let's go. 9.8. Let's go. CGC. Yo, somebody was happy at CGC this week. Let's go. Guys, again, this will be for sale, or I might be giving it away, so make sure you subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Whatnot and IG. Let's get into book number 4. Book number 4. We got another Disney 100. This is the Avengers one. I don't know why they didn't do it over an Avengers book, though. They did it over another Amazing Spider-Man. I absolutely love this cover, though. What if Mickey and friends were Earth's mightiest heroes? I love it, especially Donald as Thor. Mickey is Cap, it's great. But we're going to, again, I have one of these on my wall already. We're going to hope for the 9.6, 9.8 area. I'm thinking this one's going to be a 9.8. What do you think?
Yeah, 9.8.
9.8. Let's go.
The rest?
9.8. Let's go, baby. Yeah, we got another one of these in the box coming up next. Again, I sent multiples of these. If I could speak today. I got this monkey on my back. But let's see what the next one is. Number 5 coming at you. We're back at it with book number. What are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Number 5. We're on number 5. I'm forgetting the things already. All right. It's another one of the Disney 100s.
Another one.
Oh, DJ Khaled. Avengers Disney 100. It's really Amazing Spider-Man 17 for book number 5. Are we on number 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is number 5. I can't math today. Okay, can't think, can't math. Again, this one will be for sale either way, but we're hoping for 9698. What do you think?
9-8.
98. Let's go. Boom, chicka wow wow.
Another 9.
Another one.
Another one.
I love these covers. I hope you guys do too. And like I said, these will be for sale, or I might be giving them away. I don't know. We got big plans coming up. So big plans. Book number 6 coming at you. All right, guys. Book number 6, 7, and 8 is all the same book. I sent 3 copies in. So again, CGC likes to do you dirty. So I'm hoping at least 2 out of the 3 come back to 9.8. These books were handpicked by me, mint condition. This is actually when I was part of Near Mint All Stars. It was our exclusive. It's a Jod Shaw cover. Amazing TMNT Usagi Wear When number 1. I sent a bunch of these in. 3 on this batch. But again, we're hoping for 9698. What do you think?
9, 8.
9, 8. She glitched out for a second. She's like, 9, 9, 8. All right. We're gonna hope for the 9, 8. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's a 9, 8. Guys, we got 2 more of these coming up. Book number 7 coming at you right now. Book number 7. We're back with
Another one.
Another one. TMNT Usagi Wear When number 1. Again, that last one was a 9.8. We're hoping for a 9.8 on this one. I hope at least 2 or a 9.8 out of 3. I sent 3 copies this batch. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah. What are you guessing? 9.8. All right. 9.8. Whoop, whoop. All right, let's go. Book number 8 coming at you next. Book number 8. It's another one.
Another one.
All right, we're hoping for the 9.8, but CGC likes to, when you send multiples, at least give you 196. So, what do you think? 9.6 or 9.8 on this one? 9.6. I'm thinking 9.6 too. Let's fingers crossed. Let's see. Woo, baby! 3 9.8s. Holy! Let's go.
9, 8.
I know.
Another one.
Another 9.8, baby. Let's go. Guys, we got 2 more books, and I'm super excited about the last one. I just gotta say. All right, let's get it to you. Book number 9 coming up right now. Book number 9. I'm always sending these in. I love these Homelander covers. The Boys 7, Whatnot, the Whatnot edition. I'm not even cutting that out. Let's roll with it. Anyway, book number 9. I always send these in, and they always. I don't know if it's the blood on there and they just want to mess with me or what, but they always drop these low on me. I don't know why. So I'm hoping for a 9.8. I have my one in the PC, so I can't say they never do 9.8s. But what do you think? I'm actually thinking 9.4 on this one, because they're real harsh on these. I don't know why.
Yeah, maybe about that.
9.6.
About 9.
All right, I'm gonna say 9.4. You're saying 9.6. Again, this is a beautiful book. It should be a 90, but I'm just saying. All right, let's go. 9.6. See, I said hard. At least it's not 9.4. But I love these, man. I keep getting 9.6s on them now. Whatnot or CGC. Stop doing it to Whatnot books. All right, we got the big one. Book number 10 coming up next. Are you excited? Are you excited? It's the big one. All right. Book number 10 coming at you right now. All right, here it is. The big one. Book number 10. Okay. So let me tell you a little backstory about this book. So somebody, I got this in a collection. Okay. Somebody hit me up and was like, hey, do you got Godzilla and HE double scribble? All right. So I was like, I don't know. I might. So I go and look at it. And he's like, can you run it for me? And I was going to start at an auction at $3. Luckily, that day, I was like, let me check on this book. This is a very expensive book, and it's a very rare book. It is Godzilla and HE double hockey sticks. Number 1, it's the subscription edition that I didn't even know anything about this book. Okay? It is an EC Comics homage. It's a sick book. And in a 9.8, the FMV on this book is $300.
300.
Emotional damage.
So we're going to hope for the 9.8. Okay? This was a beautiful, beautiful book. Literally, I was like, could you imagine if I would have ran this on a Whatnot stream and it sold for $3 because nobody knew what it was except for this one guy that was like, hey, you got any Godzilla? So again, we're hoping for the 9.8. What do you think?
9.8.
9.8? All right, I'm hoping you're right. You better be right, okay? Because the return on investment on this book will be pretty big. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
She's ready. She's ready. We gotta hurry up. We gotta get to karate.
Yeah, I'm sparring.
She's sparring tonight for the first time, so she's super pumped. And she just read the page 300 in her Harry Potter book. She's on the fourth one. Goblet of Fire, right?
Yep.
All right. Again, this is the big one. This is a big difference. This is either like 240 FMV if it's a 9.6 or 300 if it's 9.8. So, ooh. All right. Let's go, baby. Guys, this will be for sale. For sale.
Another one.
Another, yo, not 9 out of 10 ain't bad. You know what I mean? Woo, baby. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so glad my Harley Quinn snuck down there and was like, Dad, what's going on? What are you doing? It was super fun. Maybe we'll get her in on more videos. Why don't you tell them what you're saying, guys? Every day on Whatnot, Harley comes on and tells everybody a little saying.
Okay. You don't have to be amazing to start. With starts, you can be amazing.
Boom, guys. Guys, I want you to go out there and do something for somebody today, man. Tell them they're awesome, or tell them, to be amazing. Do something. But I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace. Let me get a peace. Peace.